Oh, you are highly welcome to this YouTube channel one more time. I want you to encourage us by subscribing to this YouTube channel, like it, and you can share it. You can invite those that needed what we do on this YouTube channel so that as well they can also benefit from what we do here. This is Mathematics Made Simple for Children with Akinlabi Olusomi. Today, we want to quickly look at the second phase of the topic we were looking at in the previous episode. We were looking at value and place value. So we have done justice to value in the previous episode, and now we want to talk extensively and we want to solve some questions together on place value. This place value is talking about the name of that position. Value talks about how heavy, how weighty the digit is. When we now say place value is talking about the name of that position. I hope I'm communicating now. So, for example, when I write 26, I now ask you, what is the place value of 2? The correct answer to give me would be tens. Place value of 2 is tens. The place value of that 6 is units. But quickly, before I go deeper, let me give you the names of those place value that we have. The least one is unit. We have units, we have tens, we have 100, we have thousand, we have tens of thousand, we have hundreds of thousand, million, tens of million, hundreds of million, billion, tens of billion, hundreds of billion, then trillion. I will stop there because number has no end, but I will stop there. So don't forget, from units, tens, 100, immediately you get to 1,000. 1,000 is being represented as if to say unit of 1,000. That is 1,000. We don't have unit of 1,000 separate. No, we have 1,000. Immediately after that 1,000, go to tens of thousand. After that, hundreds of thousand. Immediately after that, you move to million, and that is how it continues. So when I write, for example, 98, 2 digits, the first one will be unit, 8 will be units, while 9 will be tens. If I have a number like 849, 9 will be units, 4 will be tens, 8 will be 100. So the number of the digits, regardless of how many number you are having, just start from the last one that you wrote. Units, followed by tens, followed by 100, followed by 1,000. For it will continue like that. For example, look at this number, 4,296. When you start from 6, that will be units. The previous one will be tens. The previous one will be 100. The previous one will now be 1,000. I hope I'm communicating. I hope you are understanding what I'm saying. The next number, let me look for 5 digits number now. 5 digits number like 16,275. 16,275. Now, 5, the last digit will be units. The previous one will now become tens, followed by 100, followed by 1,000, followed by tens of thousand, followed by 100 of thousand. You know, it will continue like that. But since we are having only 5 digits, we have units, tens, 100, 1,000, tens of thousand. If it is 6 digits, for example, What do I mean by 6 digits? When you have 421,427. 421,427. When you look at that, we start from units. So the last one will be units, followed by tens, followed by 100, followed by 1,000, followed by 10,000, followed by as 100,000. So if they ask me now to trash all those digits according to their place value, I will write 7 units, 2 tens, 4 100, 1,000, 2,000, 4 hundreds of thousand, and it continues like that. So look at the number that I'm putting on your screen now. Look at this number. How do we pronounce it? Because you need to know how to pronounce the number before talking about place value or value. If you don't know how to pronounce the number, that means you have to go back to my previous episode that talks about writing a figure, and another one that talks about writing in words. This one now, how do we call this one? 4,631,462. 4,631,462. If I want to write the place value of any of the following digits, I will just look at the position where the number is. Imagine that I want to write the place value of 3. You can see that 3. Imagine I want to write the place value. The place value of that 3 is tens of thousands. That is it. But nevertheless, before I go, let me trash the number for you. See it on your screen now. Look at it on your screen. Yes. So I'm going to round up here. If you have any question, you will have to put it on the comment section so that we can be able to attend to it. Like our videos, help us to share it, subscribe to this YouTube channel for to connect those that needed what we do on this YouTube channel to this channel, so that they can also benefit from what we are doing here on this YouTube channel. God bless you.